Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. You can usually identify a minimalist room by clean lines, a restrained palette, and a stripped down simplicity. Having much less stuff means everything in the area has to be both practical and gorgeous. Although it is incredibly reductive, concentrating on incorporating just the necessary and essential components and eliminating extra. Minimalist doesn't need to be boring. Minimalism is a favorite look in friendly region of the house, although soaring interest in low-profile beds and grayscale color palettes suggest that minimalist bedrooms are getting up fast. And for a valid reason, this viewpoint streamlines bedroom to their essential function as being an area to clear up the mind from the duties and challenges of the daily living. You can describe a minimalist as an individual who wishes to deal with fewer material possessions. Perhaps you do not like clutter or do not feel the desire to have many items to be pleased. If maybe you are this personality type and are searching for means to reorganize and redecorate your room, these minimalist bedroom ideas are among your interest. All of these strategies are surrounded by the capability to live with less things. When life gets hectic, it is not hard to allow your bedroom decor to fall on the wayside. Things accumulate in corner, creating pointless clutter, bedding edges and fades, and furniture pieces get bumped and scratched, or stop serving the storage purpose you previously needed. Fortunately, it does not take up very much to have your bedroom to a state of pure pleasure. All you will need is a bit of style and decluttering inspiration. So, what exactly will you need to attain the minimalist dorm room appearance? Are you completely ready to provide your room the update it must enable you to unwind after an extended day? Take several of these simple bedroom ideas and use them in your very own bedroom. Our bedrooms are locations of relaxation and sleep. Therefore, it is not surprising that minimalist bedrooms are trending for several years now. An excellent area to begin is by using your closet. Then pare down your things. Old posters, arbitrary puff, and objects you are no longer interested in do not deserve to take up the room in your bedroom. Strip away almost as you can until you are left with a truly clean foundation that is stylish and usable but rid of excess. While sure the furniture and decor are crucial, a dedicated cleaning and planning your bedroom are essential to keeping this particular style. Minimalist decorating is about texture, space saving, lamps, clean line furniture, and matchy decor. If you follow our guidelines and suggestions, you will be moving towards counting sheep quicker than you think. Seriously, though, it is time to say goodbye to your junk. Carefully rummage through your room belonging and put away something that does not positively make your heart sing. This goes for photos, collectibles, items, random wall hangings, minimalist space wallpaper, and anything similar. Remember that by eliminating your bedroom debris, you are just creating room for things that really matter. Remember that minimalism is not about creating a cold, threadbare space. It is about simplifying your environment and also, by extension, your daily life. What is not about, though, is producing some prison escape space with one mattress over the flooring. When crafting your best minimalist bedroom, you should not be sacrificing coziness or warmth by eliminating practically all of your belongings. Your bedroom is really among the most crucial areas in your house. Plan it out to look and feel like a location in which you wish to spend a lot of time and not similar to a prison cell. Pick out a reasonably simple minimalist bed frame or even go frameless. Additionally, by dousing your room inside a neutral palette, You will be able to include backslashes of an accent color afterward. In case you adopt a less is more perspective in life and think simple spaces are calming, you will like the minimalist decorating theme. A minimalist decorating style eradicates the majority of decoration, ornate, trim, chaotic patterns, and crazy color schemes, making room for purposeful, functional, relaxing design elements. Minimalist bedrooms are uncluttered, clean, and serene. We will highlight the component in each bedroom which provide these pared down rooms plenty of comforting character. A platform bed removes the necessity for a bulky box spring. You will also see that platform beds usually have integrated headboard or maybe zero headboard at all. Minimalist does not mean that every wall need to be bare. The subdued appearance of these style makes a bedroom feeling and appearing serene. The furnishing that is most effective in a minimalist room has smooth lines that are clean with no ornate carving, trim, or maybe several other specific preferred in some different decorating styles. Several of probably the cheesiest minimalist furniture looks originated from IKEA. With straight collections, your bedroom is going to have an overall calm vibe. While aesthetics of bedroom suggestion features neat and designs that are simple, there is always room for selecting artwork and patterns. The key is usually to manage the elements. Choose artwork and patterns having a limited palette and restrained collections. Please stay away from large floral prints, busy little prints, expensive and intricate designs that call excessive attention to themselves. Minimalism is about harmony. Try to arrange your decor and furniture as symmetrical as you possibly can to produce an orderly bedroom. A proportioned space allows the eye to move smoothly throughout the area. If your budget for a new home renovation is low, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designers. You can get latest interior design ideas. You don't need to search internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our site interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that you will find on internet. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration. Just watch all our videos and follow our website to get your home decorated. In this video, we have selected for you existing design projects which provide a complete image of minimalist aesthetic room decor, often as an organic composition or perhaps modern ultra sleek decor for wide open spaces, bedroom, or even for little spaces design. Variation in style, material, and perhaps shapes are also really profoundly checked out in the world decor scene. The beauty is in individual variety and diversity. Many urbanized dwellers with romantic inclination prefer to decorate their most intimate room, the bedroom, in the vivid and distinctive bohemian style. Warm, neutral colors, living plant life, and natural material selections. Craft elements or maybe unique pieces and vintage of furniture are distinctive of these popular stylistics. And of course, minimalism and boho stylistic aren't contrary and could be mixed quite effectively. They are both trendy and impressive inspiration. Look for contemporary designers, and these can be found in the designs as well. When it concerns the interior design, do you like far more pared back down, something totally free of frills and trinkets? Then a house with minimalist style is best for you. The minimalist design was conceptualized through the Bauhaus, a design school in Germany in 1920s and 30s. It is a design style that is guided by the concept that less is more and adheres to the concept that function is followed by form. Mostly minimalist style leads to space that are functional and with a couple of added frills. But that does not mean they are completely practical. In reality, minimalist areas could be somewhat stylish. Therefore, What does this like? Minimalist interiors are void of really light or decorative objects and also have minimum furniture. Surfaces and walls usually have natural and smooth finishes and color palettes, and they tend to be rather limited. While you can pull off a minimalist design in every aspect of your house, one particular space that we especially love a minimalist appearance is in room. This is an area where not enough visual clutter can promote relaxation in an extremely sensible way. The largest step for most individuals will be simplifying. This calls for highly curating the room, and also this includes just the crucial furniture. Beyond furniture, you will want only to display what's most vital, the intended result, a space that provides a clean, calming vibe without any clutter. Want to get a few minimalistic aesthetics room ideas and also make this look very own? You can visit our YouTube channel and browse through the designs that are available on our channel. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. If this video has helped you in any way, then you can hit the subscribe button and also the like button below this video. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, you can visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest interior design ideas. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here, and for more such interesting videos, keep us subscribed and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the next video that is recommended only for you.